The use of nuclear weapons to counter the hurricanes is not a good idea, said US research agency after the news broke that President Donald Trump wants to explore this option. Website News Axios has reported that Mr. Trump and the like were asked of several representatives of the Ministry of Internal Security and the National Security Council about this possibility. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, said that the results of the use of nuclear weapons against hurricanes will be devastating. According to Axios, Donald Trump seems to have asked advisors why not drop the bomb in the eye of the storm, the area of calm weather at the center of hurricanes, to stop them before they reach the coast. NOAA scientists noted that the use of nuclear weapons against hurricanes may not even alter the storm, and the fallout fast enough to move with the wind and harm the land. Despite the fact that the mechanical energy of the bomb closer to energy storm, the task of focusing even half of the energy in a remote section of the ocean would be hopeless, adds the agency. Attacks on weak tropical waves, areas of relatively low pressure that move from east to west, causing clouds and thunderstorms, can cause tropical cyclones. Or areas of low atmospheric pressure before they get a chance to develop into hurricanes, too, are not promising, says the scientists. About 80 of these extraordinary phenomena are produced annually in the basin of the Atlantic, but only about 5 of them on average become hurricanes. There is no possibility of telling which ones will turn into hurricanes. They added. During a speech at the National Press Club in 1961, Francis Roederer, head of the Weather Bureau of the United States, said that may present the possibility of the detonation of a nuclear bomb in the area of the hurricane far out to sea. Earlier this month, NOAA warned that now favorable conditions for the emergence of a large number of hurricanes. Predict from 10 to 17 storms that get names. 5 to 9 of them will become hurricanes, in particular from 2 to 4 expect the greatest scale and impact.